As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So we're comparing the ChuMaste 3-burner propane grill, B0CFR2CZP9, and the Charbroil Performance Series 4-burner, B07JZV24HV. Right off the bat, price is a big difference. The ChuMaste is way cheaper, only $168.99.
Yeah, the Charbroil is almost double that at $369.99. But you're getting more grill for your buck, aren't you?
Definitely. The Charbroil has 4 burners putting out 36,000 BTUs, plus a 10,000 BTU side burner. The ChuMaste only has 3 burners at 30,000 BTUs total.
And the cooking area is bigger on the Charbroil. It's got 475 square inches of primary cooking space, plus a warming rack. ChuMaste is smaller at 464.8 square inches total, including the warming rack.
True, but the ChuMaste is lighter and smaller overall. Easier to move around, maybe better for a small balcony. It weighs about 52 pounds compared to Charbroil's hefty 85 pounds.
Good point. The Charbroil is a beast. But it's got those porcelain-coated cast iron grates. They're supposed to be easier to clean and give you better grill marks. What kind of grates does the ChuMaste have?
The description just says stainless steel burners and doesn't specify the grate material. Probably stainless steel as well, but less premium.
Okay. Also, the Charbroil boasts electronic ignition and LED illuminated control knobs. Fancy! Does the ChuMaste have any cool features like that?
It has a built-in thermometer and foldable side tables, but nothing as high-tech. It does have wheels for portability, like the Charbroil.
So it boils down to budget and space, really. If you're on a tight budget and have limited space, the ChuMaste is a decent option for small gatherings.
Exactly. But if you're serious about grilling, need more cooking space, and want some extra features, the Charbroil, even with the higher price tag, seems like the better investment for long-term use. Plus, it's Amazon's choice, with way more reviews and a higher rating.
Yeah, that Amazon's Choice badge and the higher rating, that carries some weight.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.